Yes, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm VJ and you're now watching another episode of my reaction for today. For today guys, I'm going to react on this interesting collaboration. Actually, SB19 and G22, hindi pa natapos ang collaboration nila. Sila pala talaga yung arang official ambassadors of Acer, if I may say. Meron silang bagong kanta at para ito sa Pasko. This is called Ating Pasko. So I'm gonna watch it today, guys. Let's go. Ang galing, no?
Mga araw kay bilis naman, parang kailan lang tayo'y nagsimula.
Bawat oras binibilang, magkasama kapagsapit ng Kapaskuhan.
Mula noon hanggang ngayon, lumipas man ang panahon.
Ang galing.
Basta't ika'y na.
Ang galing ng collaboration nila. As always, you know, I'm just wondering kung sino ang nagsulat ng kantang to at kung sino yung director nito. So, alam naman natin, no, SB19 has a great director at si Justin yon, and composer, of course, si Pablo. Dami nilang, daming talento, no? Balik na natin.
Ikaw ang aking sandigan, ang aking lakas.
Oh, I love that. I love that layers of voice of Josh and Althea.
Ako'y mahihimlay, kinabukasan ay palatag, basta't hawak ang iyong kamay.
Sa bawat pagkakataon, sa'yo'y nais magpasalamat, basta't ika'y nariyan.
Ang galing.
Wala nang kailangan pa, basta't ikaw ang kasama sa Pasko at sa tuwa.
Oh my goodness, that is very, very great, you know? I don't know where they shoot it. Parang nasa China.
Ang Pasko ay napupulong ng pag-ibig mong wagas at walang hangganan. Ikaw ang aking maligayang Pasko, pagmamahal mo'y liwanag ng aking mundo. Sa piling mo ako'y payapat buo, hindi
Ooh. Ang galing ng Acer, no? Gumawa pa sila ng Christmas ID. Wow, Acer. Proud Acer user here. Anyway, yun lang ba? Until 4. Okay, so yun ay hashtag Acer Ating Pasko music video featuring SB19 and the girls, the alphas, G22. The female alphas pala. G22. Grabe yung collaboration na yon. Nagiging strong yung kanta because of their vocal prowess, di ba? Napaka-linis, napaka-strong, tapos napakaganda yung blending nila, ganon. Well, congratulations to Acer, kasi gumawa sila ng parang Christmas ID. Hindi ko alam if this is the first time that Acer has ever done this kind of, theme. So, just, napakahusay lang nila because they got to tap SB19 and G22 for this project. Of course, the song is very relevant. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this episode, and I'm gonna watch other SB19 and G22 related videos in my next episode. For now, guys, thank you and bye.